Welcome to the last lesson for this week, which is time. Time. I'm going to be talking about AM and PM. What does it mean? AM means ante-meridian and PM means post-meridian. We're going to be talking about time. 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 Now we have morning, we have afternoon, and we have night. Now here is the reading of the time. We have minutes hand, we have the hour hand. The minute hand reads in minutes, points to the minutes. It points to the minutes. 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, like that. 10, 15, 20, 25, up till you get to 60. Now the hour hands is pointing your hands to the hours. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3, 4 until you get here. So from here, that's how the hour works. Now if the long hand, the minute hand is on 12 and the short hand, the hour hand is on 2. So the time is reading 2 o'clock. So let's see. Let's go to the next one. So when we're talking about AM and PM, we're talking about the time from midnight to noon. The time from midnight when you're sleeping at night. So that time from midnight, the 12 o'clock from midnight to 12 noon is the AM. And from the 12 noon of the day to your 12 midnight is your PM. 12 AM to 12 noon PM is your ante-meridian. And your 12 noon to 12 median to 12 midnight is your 12 noon to 12 AM is your post-meridian. So let's see. So time, AM stands for ante-meridian, which means before midday or noon in the morning. And PM stands for post-meridian, which means after midday or noon. So that is where you get the word afternoon. So it is afternoon. So we use AM and PM to show if we mean morning or afternoon when we write times. Now, here is an example 1. Maggie is eating her breakfast and looks at the clock. Now, when do you eat breakfast? It's in the morning. You eat your breakfast in the morning. All right? So when you want to write the time is 7, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. This is the minute hand reading 40. So it is going to be in the morning because you eat your breakfast in the morning. Now, Ari is catching a bus at 9:5 p.m. So when you're talking about p.m., it's no longer morning. It is in the evening. It's evening. So this is 9:9 p.m. That's this time we're talking about night here. All right. Now let's go to the task. Write these times using AM or PM. AM or PM. AM means in the morning and PM means afternoon. Starting from the afternoon, your evening. All right, now let's see. 3:15 in the afternoon. Is it AM or PM? Afternoon means PM. Now let's see B. 8:30 in the morning. Morning is AM. That's always required for you to write. So when you're talking about AM, you're talking about morning. When you're talking about PM, you're talking about afternoon, evening. All right. Now, write this in order, starting with the earliest time. So that means you're going to start from the AM, which is the earliest time in the AM. You look for it. You're looking for AM. This is AM. This is 9. 9 cannot be the number 1. 6 cannot be. 7 cannot be. 7 a.m. So which one is the smallest? Did you see any other? Oh, 2:55. So this 2:55 a.m. is still talking about the time when you are still sleeping and it is morning time. All right? It is a.m. before noon. So you're going to start from 2:55 followed by okay, you can check that out yourself. All right, now let's see. This is the morning time and this is the afternoon. A, B, C, D is the morning and the afternoon stroke evening is the PM. So we want to use, these are times for buses leaving a square. So you're going to write the time using AM or PM. Now, morning time is what? AM. This is what? AM. 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 Now, when it gets to afternoon, it becomes what? PM. 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 Now, you're going to write the time and you put PM in front now. The time here is 7:25 a.m. and here is 8:50 a.m. All right. And here is the assessment at which will help you to assess that which we have drawn all through this week. You have length in meters and centimeters. You have length in centimeter. You have in kilogram. You have in kilometer. You have in meter. You have in meters. You have in milliliters. All this is just for you to assess yourself based on what we have done in the week so far. Now, I told you I have some activities that will be attached to the class dojo. You can check the class dojo out. You have different activities at which can help you practice the measurement in time, in kg, in liters, and in meters. So if you have any doubt, any problem, just send a message and I'll reply back. All right, thank you.